What do a Mediterranean oasis, a chic Parisian boudoir, and a colorful family home have in common? Well, these are the next 3 new episodes on human-made homes. Hi, my name is Abra, and I love to talk about the process of transforming a space into a home. This series mostly started with me filming with my friends. With time came travels and episodes in New York City, Amsterdam, Berlin, etc. In season 3 of Human Made Homes, we are taking a peek at the interiors of humans who create for a living. The first episode was centered around Danielle, who works in fashion and whose home is a unique blend of Art Deco and secondhand treasures. Fanny welcomed me in her beautiful Parisian apartment. We talked about her decor finds in Parisian flea markets, and I even got to see some of the products she was testing for her role at Oh My Cream. Lise, artistic director and lover of Hausmannian architecture, took us around her home, pointing at the feminine and romantic touches. As an interior designer whose motto is functionality, Sia used her knowledge of shapes, designers, and architecture to mix brutalist furniture to her Parisian apartment. So, what is coming next? Very distinct homes and decor with unique stories. After buying her first apartment, Carine completely made it over into a Mediterranean oasis. She was inspired by 70s Italian designers, natural materials, colors, and unique decor that reflected her personality. Taking a page out of French history, Pirrie modeled her home after boudoirs. These intimate, elegant, chic, and feminine spaces that were created in the 18th century by women to receive their friends, exchange confidence, and even discuss politics. For the very first time, I toured a house. Babeth and her husband, William, created a colorful and warm home for them and their 3 kids. The space is infused with their energy and decor philosophy, a happy mix of unique decor finds, designer pieces, and mainstream buys. As unique as these spaces are, I still found something in common with them all. Each time I was told the stories of these unique homes by the human who made them, I found myself captivated by the transformation of each space into a unique home. Here are some of the human-made homes I was inspired by, and I hope you will be too. If you are new to this channel, you can watch full episodes of this series, all available on my YouTube channel, Abra da Graça. The links are in the description as well as the comment down below. You can subscribe to this channel as well to watch the new episodes as soon as they are out. I will see you all for the next episode of the Human Made Home series. Thanks again for watching, and see you next week. Bye!